Explorers, Adventures, and everyone in between to Ticket to Adventure. Today we are coming back to you for another unboxing video.
Yes.
From Anaheim. So, today, it's not just pins. We got some pins right there. But also, we have Wishables to unbox.
Lots and lots of Wishables.
Yeah, and we have the Jungle Cruise set. And we also have these tasty treats that we're gonna open. So we got 3 of those, and we got about 6 of the Jungle Cruise ones. So I think we're gonna start off with Abigail opening the pins.
All right, we're just gonna start right here. Ow. Too good for someone.
So what kind of pins were these?
These are the Fantasyland collection.
Let's see the back. These are all the ones you can get.
Let's see which ones I get this time. My hands are freezing to death. They're frozen. Kyla, don't shake your head. I have eyes. It looks like I got the Pinocchio one. Yeah, I did.
Can I see?
But I don't know which one that is.
That's Pinocchio. That's Funland. Whatever.
Whoops. There you go. Oh, that's
too
cool.
close.
Yeah, that's Funland. That's he's like, no, don't go in there. But Pinocchio's like, okay.
That was fun. Oh, I got this.
It's a small world.
Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, Small World. That is so cute.
Oh, that's really cool, Abigail.
What was that?
I was just asking a question about the camera because last time we tried to do something like this and it was videotaping. It didn't
If
turn
it
out
says
so well.
REC at the top and it's red, it means it's recording.
Yeah.
If it's green,
I was like, is this recording?
This?
Because last time we had a glitch. Remember when we were trying to do the sprinkles
fail.
cupcake? We had technical difficulties.
Long story short, we tried filming our cupcake review and obviously didn't work out.
And it was the total
By the
fail.
way, if you want to go watch our Downtown Disney video, I'll link that in the description and in the upper right-hand corner of the video. So go watch that after you're done watching this video.
I don't know what this is called, but I got the whale.
Oh, that's Storybook.
Storybook.
Because this is a Fantasyland
So
series.
far there is no duplicates, which is good. I don't know, this one might be a duplicate. I'm scared.
Could be.
It isn't. No, it's not. It's Snow White.
Aw, it's Snow White.
Oh, these are cute.
I'm surprised I haven't got duplicates. Alright, these ones are already unpackaged.
That's really cool. This is a really cool series, and I think they're a little stylized too. So it's not like straight depiction, but it's stylized.
I'm gonna get.
Oh, do you think so? Oh, it's
No,
the
it's not the mystery.
Alice in Wonderland. That's a caterpillar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a mystery yet. I hope I get the mystery. That's my goal. I got the teacup ride. I'm
Ooh,
surprised.
Oh, that's cute too.
You know why I'm surprised? Because there's absolutely no duplicates. And we already opened 6. Pow! Ah, duplicate.
No, that's okay. That's a good one to have a duplicate.
No, that's a pretty cool
Teacups.
Duplicate.
Another duplicate
What was that one a duplicate of?
of the Alice in Wonderland line.
Oh yeah, cute. That's really cute.
Last one. Hopefully the last ones are not duplicates. Duplicate!
Another duplicate of the Snow White.
Oh yeah.
We're getting too many duplicates.
All right, last one.
Yeah, last one,
I'm
Abigail.
scared. Duplicate!
Duplicate of the whale.
That's all right. We have lots of friends we can pass these on to.
Yes.
So
Pringles.
we only got 1,
Or myself, because I would.
3,
Oh.
4,
Claiming
5.
some?
Yeah, I'm gonna claim
We
at
only
least
got
two.
5 different pins, and There are
12. Yep. 3, 6,
No,
9, 12. No? 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah.
You guys, 3, 3, 3, 3.
It's
That's
3 times
6,
4
6,
equals 12.
12.
I'm so proud of you guys. Passed second grade math.
I'm smart. I'm very smart.
Well, I'm
I
in
can-
4th grade and
Okay, now
All right.
I'm doing.
let's get a little overview of what our haul is for our pins.
I
Turn around.
will.
You gotta turn around the other way because I know you can see them, but we can't. Well, so when she as she arranges that, why don't you start with one of your first bags? So what was the process you were trying to? Who were you trying to get?
So I'm trying to get the boats and the skipper, and I pretty much tried to get all of them because at the point there was only like 3 of them left, and I was like, oh, do you have more in the back? So this guy brought this entire bag full of them. So I'm like, might as well buy more. That this whole guy was bringing this entire bag to the field to make sure I got the one I wanted. So we ended up getting 6. I think my prediction is there's gonna be 1 hippo, 1 tiger, 2 skippers, and 2 boats. From what I felt. Those are my predictions. So we'll see if I'm correct. So the first one. And the tiger! Look at the
Aw,
tiger!
that's
It's really
so
cute. So cute. They make these really well. It's really nice.
Nice
made.
quality
Yeah.
plush too. Very
That is
nice.
so
With some embroidery and
I
stuff.
might steal these.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be taken by somebody. Here's the recap of all the pins we got.
They'll be taken by me because I steal all the stuffed animals.
Okay. Go to our second one. This one's probably gonna be a boat. My predictions. It is a boat!
You guessed good.
Sweet.
Man.
I did guess
That is roughed up.
Give me a second.
Why isn't it red like it shows on the picture?
That's weird.
That's not right.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Good
oh
point.
my gosh. This might be even more rare then, because it's not red.
Yeah, it does show red. Interesting.
That's interesting, because it's not
Good
red.
point, Abigail.
Wow. I still got it anyways, so. Choo choo.
I was hoping you could put them inside like you put in the spin town. It would be cool, but you can't.
And this one is the skipper.
He's cute. And we all who have been on the Jungle Cruise know those skippers have good jokes.
They do have good
You have
jokes.
to have good
And good scripts.
Oh, and speaking of wishables, quick story. I bought a Monsters Inc. one. I was hoping for Boo, and I got Boo.
Yeah, that was a good luck.
That was good luck. No tiger.
Aww. So your predictions are a read.
Okay.
That's like most blind bags.
Like most blind blocks, that's mostly what happens. Another skipper. Woohoo.
Which we thought we got 2 skippers, so that was
Well,
good.
that was it because you could feel for the microphone.
The tiger will hold up the skipper because they have good balance.
We're
Last
hoping for a
one.
hippo.
It is the bow. What if they come in different colors?
That one's green.
That's green.
Wow. I didn't know they
Look
came
at the
in-
different.
Yeah, I'm maybe because there's different boats. I had no idea.
I have to research that a little bit. That's.
But no hippo. We got 2 tigers.
It's
Oh well,
okay.
that's okay. The tigers are cute.
I'm surprised.
I
Are there
love the
different
tiger.
boats?
I'm gonna steal a tiger. If you
Is
don't
there
mind.
different boats you can get?
I guess so.
I love this little tiger.
Bless you.
They even have different faces as
Yeah.
well.
That's
And-
really interesting.
And this one's a brown. This one's a lighter brown.
I want to see the faces.
That's kind of cool and interesting too.
I'm stealing this tiger.
I know you're still in the tiger.
No, stealing.
Opening these up.
I want to open this.
We got the Mickey ice cream sandwich.
So cute. Does he have another face on the other side?
No. There's only
The
one face.
one that you pick out
The chaser.
is a
Double-sided.
And I got the frozen, whatever it's called.
like the popsicle.
Popsicle.
That's cute. They have really cute faces.
They do.
All right,
Now
last
the
one.
Popsicle and the tiger are friends.
No! Frozen popsicle again.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
We have a friend we might trade with.
Oh, so good.
Which one were you hoping for? You didn't show us the back.
I
They
was
had.
hoping we would get the Mickey Premium Bar.
Oh, that's our favorite ice cream.
When I was little,
Or the Dole Whip.
Would have been cute too.
when I was little, I ate ice cream the ice cream, the premium one that's on the stick, and it would always have chocolate all over my face.
Yeah, you're a little messy here.
I am a little.
So it was really cool unboxing. The thing that most surprised me was the boats. I didn't know they came in different like colors and shades. And that's interesting.
Look, the
I didn't
jumbo
even know
pop.
that.
Jumbo pop. It's the jumbo
I had to do some research on this Wishable set, see if this is like, that's kind of interesting.
If any of you know Zootopia, it's the jumbo pop.
That's true. Still early in the morning, we're waking up.
We're still waking up a little bit. I mean, it's the morning because I do have orange juice over here. See, I got my delicious orange juice
Oh my
with me
goodness.
this morning because it's still morning. This proves that it's morning. So I think that's gonna wrap up this video. And if you really enjoyed this little unboxing video we did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe. You know, comment down below anything interesting you thought you liked more or less. No, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and I hope you just have an amazing day. See you later, adventures. Have a good day.